Good morning, Apurva. Welcome to
Good
the
morning.
mains review session of your mains HJS RTR copies. Let's review
Okay.
your copies and see what all mistakes you did in your copies because of which you are not able to qualify for the interview. Let's see how you can improvise in your answer writing skills and जितने भी structure है, जितना answer writing pattern है, whatever mistakes we are able to find out in your copies, we will deal with all of these particular in this particular session.
Correct.
So let me just share my screen and open your copy. So this is the copy which you have shared with us, the RTMS
Mm.
copy. Yes.
Yes.
So first thing first, we have reviewed a copy in detailed and
Mm.
the certain pointers like for the civil,
Mm.
let's discuss about the marks which you have got. So for
Mm.
the civil law one, you have got 90 marks. Okay. For civil law two, you
Mm.
have got 77.5 marks. ठीक है. For
Mm.
criminal law, you have got 110 marks. For English, you have got 107 marks. And for Hindi, it's 52.5. ठीक है.
Mm.
So there is a scope for improvement in all these subjects. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको एक या दो जगह इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है. ठीक है. अगर आप
Mm.
क्योंकि इंग्लिश इज वन सब्जेक्ट वे स्टूडेंट्स आर गेटिंग 135 टू 150 का.
Mm.
ठीक है. 130 इज अ जनरल जो उनको मिल रहा है. इट इज कंसिडर्ड अ गुड मार्क्स. ठीक है.
Mm.
हिंदी में इट्स वेरी लेट्स इट्स ऑल 50%. तो हिंदी में योर गोल शुड बी 70 प्लस.
Mm. Mm.
For criminal law, it's reasonable, but anyhow, you have to try to pace up and get around 130 plus. So
Right.
for almost all the examination, like civil law 1, civil law 2, the goal should be 125 plus. Okay?
Mm.
And it's not something which is like hard to accept कि achievable है नहीं. It is very much like a reasonable marking, and it will something which you can definitely achieve if you perform well in the examinations. ठीक है.
Mhm.
So let's go through some of the questions and see how you have dealt and what all shortcomings were there in your answers. So let me just open the, yeah. So this is the adjust means analysis document, and as you are the pre-impress user, you must be knowing that from the absorb of means blueprint and from the simplified notes, we have achieved the strike rate of 95% in the adjust means examination. Same in
Mm.
the civil law 1, same in the civil law 2, same in the criminal law and the other subjects. So let's start with not with the first word because we have dealt it many times. Let's go through B part of question number 1 and see what you've written in your answer. So the question was Avinash with the intention to sell his laptops keeps his status on the WhatsApp with the following narrative: refurbished 2 years laptop, 2 years old HP Pro available for sale at 20,000 only. Apurva, anyone desires to purchase the same can call me and confirm the acceptance, but depositing 2,000 in Google Pay. Dekho, now here from the question we can identify that the question is very clear. कि how the offer should be accepted. कॉल कर
Mm.
रहे हैं द पर्सन इज इन्फॉर्म इन एज वेल एज डिपॉजिट द अमाउnt in his Google Pay. WhatsApp number,
Mm.
Google Pay number is being provided. Now the question is, relying on the above status, Satyajit calls Avinash and expresses his desire to purchase the same at a given price and prompts to
Mm.
deposit 2,000 in the Google Pay. However, he does not deposit the same. Okay, first part of the question है. Second part है, watching the status of Nishikant only replies with thumb emoji to the WhatsApp status of Avinash and deposit 1,000 rupees in the Avinash account through Google Pay and share the screenshot immediately with Avinash. In light of the above, evaluate the validity of acceptance given by Satyajit, and second about the Nishikant. तो वी हैव
Mm.
टू डील विद बोथ द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. तो एग्जाम में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू सी इन द क्वेश्चन कि क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग डिवाइडेड इनटू हाउ मेनी सब पार्ट्स. जितने सब पार्ट्स में जितनी चीजें पूछी गई है, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि you are writing down on each and everything of them. Now let's see what you have written in your answer for this particular question. So this is question B. Yes. So this is question B, which is there. So the invention in the present case, Satyajit gives the acceptance by the purchase the laptop at a given price, but does not deposit the amount as per section 7. Now, when you start writing the answer, ठीक है, now we have came as per section 7, तो हम लॉ पॉइंट पे डील करने लग गए. आपको एक क्रोनोलॉजी होती है इसको डील करने का. पहले यू हैव टू मेंशन ब्रीफ फैक्ट्स,
Hmm.
ठीक है. सेकंड यू हैव टू मेंशन व्हाट आर द इश्यूज इन्वॉल्व्ड.
Hmm.
Then you have to mention the law point and correlate with facts. ठीक है. दिस द क्रोनोलॉजी. यहाँ पर इफ यू हैव एडिड इश्यूज इन्वॉल्व्ड, वो एक एडिशनल तीन चीजें आपको ऐड करनी थी. ठीक है.
Hmm.
नाउ यू हैव मेंशन एब्सोल्यूट अनक्वालिफाइड होनी चाहिए. सेकेंडली, acceptance has to be given in the same manner in the prescribed by the proposer. Since the
Hmm.
Avinash mentioned that the acceptance has been given by deposit in 2000 only, the acceptance given by Satyajit is not a valid acceptance and the contract is not formed. Therefore, in the present situation, the acceptance given on Satyajit is no acceptance at all, but is not valid as per the section Indian Contract Act. ठीक है. इसके अंदर बस दो चीजें ऐड करनी है. साथ साथ थोड़ा सा फैक्ट्स को और इलेबोरेट करना है हल्का सा, बिकॉज इट इज आई थिंक 15 मार्क का क्वेश्चन, तो थोड़ा सा इलेबोरेट करना है. साथ साथ अब क्वेश्चन इन्वॉल्व करने हैं. अलॉन्ग विद दिस देयर 2 to 3 थिंग्स सेक्शन 2 आप डील कर सकते हो, जहां पर ऑफर एंड एक्सेप्टेंस बताया हुआ है आपको. just tell them what is the offer, what is the acceptance, and this is the compliance of the acceptance or not. ठीक है. Now let's go to the second part of the question. In the second case, the Nishikant replies with a thumb impression and deposit 2000 instead of 2000 to instead of 2000 as prescribed in the issue being that the whether the acceptance or not. As per section 7 of the Indian Contract Act, the acceptance must be absolute and unqualified. Since the Avinash prescribes 2000, but Nishikant was this is absolute unqualified. Second, moreover, given the prescribed manner, and this thumb impression in the Avinash status is very vague manner of communicating acceptance. This you should not be very vague, because thumb impression, although that was not valid form in this particular case, but
Hmm.
thumb impression, यहाँ पर giving a thumb emoji or impression will consider as valid acceptance in the other cases. It might be there. So you need not mention it as a vague manner. It is a general manner. Therefore, it is not expressed as a usual and decent manner. An affirmative reply is showing the, like, yes, I want to purchase this laptop, followed by deposition of 2000 in the correct mode acceptance. Now, here, when persons was asked to deposit 2000 rupees and the other
Hmm.
person deposit 1000 rupees, so examiner wants you to focus on the counter offer, concept of counter offer.
Hmm.
It is very much important to deal with this particular aspect in your answer. What happens when the other person does not give you the exactly what you have asked for, but change the terms of the contract. Okay, they altering the amount term makes it a counter offer, and it is important for you to mention here. Also, here you can mention the relevant case laws
Hmm.
to substantiate your answers. Okay, very there are many case laws for this particular aspect. Ki whether when the acceptance has to be made in the same manner, if anybody wants a counter offer, because the moment counter offer is being made, the original offer stands cancelled. Okay, it does not stand anymore. So in these
Correct.
both these cases, it is not the valid form of acceptance which has been provided here. Now
Hmm.
let's go through some other question. Let's go through question number 5. 5 पे
Sir, what was the marking of that question? How much was it assigned? Was it a 5 marker question?
this question number 1 का B,
Yeah, the last one that we were discussing.
it was either the 10 mark or 15 marker. I think it's a 15 mark question. So when you get
Okay,
the,
so it has 3 parts.
yeah, you have to substantiate it properly when, because you have gotten the 3 marks in this, you can see.
Hmm.
And in the end, they must have also mentioned कितने marks आपको मिले हैं. Yeah, this
7.5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3,
8,
right?
8 for the C part and the for B 3 plus 3. So out of 15, you have got only 6 marks. और
Hmm.
तो यहाँ पर आप, if you have improved these many things ना, So easily you could have achieved around 11, 12 in 11, 10 to 11 these particular kinds of question because देखो जितना आपको डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन हेल्प करता है ना उससे ज्यादा हेल्प करता है टू गेन द मार्क्स द indirect and the problem based question because
Correct.
if you know the law if you are know कि how to apply the law with the facts of the case then you are good to go वहां पर वो कुछ नहीं करना बस लॉ को अपने फैक्ट से अप्लाई करना है एंड केस लॉस इफ यू नो यू हैव टू ऐड द केस लॉस एन एग्जामिनर विल गिव यू मार्क्स ठीक है ये चीजें हैं लेट्स गो थ्रू द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज द फिफ्थ
Mm.
क्वेश्चन Yeah. So the question is, explain the instances of contract with respect to online markets. Do you think the Indian Contract 1872, which is an older legislation, is sufficient to govern e-contracts which are comparatively the of modern origin? Substantiate your views. Now see, when you get these types of question, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़े हटके होते हैं. This is not something जो आपको सीधा लॉ में मिलेगा या वैसे मिलेगा. There's something which is different. जो आपको अपना एनालिसिस देना है whether the current contract is good enough to deal with this particular aspect. ठीक है? Now see what has been you have mentioned in the fifth question. Yes, here it is.
Mm.
So you have mentioned online contracts are the part of today's contemporary society, like the entry of the e-commerce platforms, online markets, other contracts with the ठीक है. Here you can mention what are the types of online contracts which you make.
Mm.
ठीक है.
Mm.
Although India has Information Technology Act, Consumer Protection 2019, and the Indian Contract Act 1872 to decide the disputes, a blend of all these laws comes into play. I think this is the wrong terminology. Never use I think. They do not want to know your opinion. They want to know what is the general opinion about this particular aspect, whether they have this or not, whether it is correct or not. कभी भी आई थिंक टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज मत करना किसी भी आंसर में इट इज it like generally gives a very negative impression when you use this terminology. Never ever use this. ठीक
So,
है
but they mentioned na sir question में substantiate your opinion. That's why
क्या चीज
substantiate your views. Yeah. Do you think?
they have mentioned substantial reviews but never use these terminology ठीक है start with do not mention I think ठीक है just mention Indian content मतलब कि basically they want to know कि whether it is proper note प्रॉपर है या नहीं है लेकिन यहाँ पर आई करके करोगे ना इट विल लीड टू अ नेगेटिव इमेज ठीक है कभी भी इस चीज से मत करना ये बोलो आर करके यू कैन मेंशन आर लॉ इज गुड इनफ इस तरीके से कर सकते हो आर लॉ इज गुड
Yeah,
इनफ
right.
और आर लॉ हैज सम डीमेरिट्स इट इज अ बेटर वे ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन बिकॉज
Mm-hmm.
ये नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन देता है ठीक है
Mm-hmm.
इट्स अ वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव vacation, but still a separate chapter where can be added, primarily facilitating an e-context of modern times. It is compared, defines the meaning, अंकित upon a corporate liability in person, define the contract. ठीक है. It ends
Actually,
here.
I didn't have a lot of time. I
हाँ
just wrote this answer in a very
इस-
absurd manner.
हाँ तो इसके अंदर क्या लिख सकते हैं इसके अंदर एप्लीकेटिव मेंशन कर सकते हैं एप्लीकेबिलिटी ऑफ जनरल प्रिंसिपल्स
Mm-hmm.
ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लॉ इन ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स
Hmm.
क्योंकि पूछा तो यही है ना कि ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता कौन कौन से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के प्रोविजन है जो ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे अप्लाई होते हैं और वहां पर वो गवर्न करते हैं व्हाट इज द वैलिडिटी ऑफ ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स
Hmm.
व्हिच यू कुड हैव रिटन हियर ठीक है
Hmm.
व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस एंड लिमिटेशंस
Correct.
इन द ई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट व्हाट इज द ग्लोबल सिनेरियो यहां पर हम ग्लोबल सिनेरियो क्यों मेंशन करेंगे बिकॉज
Hmm. It's a budding
wider
thing, right?
wider view you will get a wider view कहाँ कहाँ पे ई कॉन्टेक्ट्स इज अ मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है एवरीथिंग इज डन थ्रू ई मैनर तो वहां पे
Hmm.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस दिया जाता है इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट्स So by this manner, your complete answer will substantiate what the examiner wants to ask you. Okay. So
Correct, sir.
in this particular way, you have to present your answers. Now let's go through the other question. Now, as you, okay. Now let's go to the other question. So the B part of this particular question, so it states, Awar is seller of antique leather goods. Bali buys a bag for 3 lakh based on the poster outside the store that claims genuine leather antique sold here. Bali, after purchase the bag, gets it tested, but the professional finds that it is not made of genuine leather. What recourse does the Bali have under the Indian contract? Now,
Mm.
whenever you get these types of question कि क्या क्या remedies है, क्या क्या recourses available है, तो you have to tell all the recourses which are available. ठीक है?
Mm.
Not the case कि एक recourse आप बता के आगे बढ़ जाओगे. आपको
Mm.
सारे recourses बताने हैं. ये
ठीक
भी
है.
like for example, if someone asks you कि if your fundamental rights are infringed, what is the remedy? So you will
Mm.
not only tell कि we have the remedy under Article 32 of the Constitution.
Mm.
Simultaneously, we will tell कि we have a remedy under Article 32 to approach the Honorable Supreme Court, as well as we have remedy under Article 226 to approach Honorable High Courts under the writ jurisdiction. तो आप दोनों चीजें बताओगे, not a single
Mm.
one. ठीक है? तो whenever you have the recourse or remedies types of question, so you will tell all the remedies which are available to that person in general. ठीक है? Now let's
Right.
see. So it's mentioned in the present case, Bali, after purchasing the bag, finds the bag to be not genuine leather. From can avoid the contract on the ground of fraud mentioned in Section 17 of the Indian Contract Act. ठीक है? Now, ठीक है, Section 17 also mentioned the suggestion of fact which is not traceable by the contract. ठीक है? General sold here is the first statement and therefore that the contract is liable option. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Get it different can make an exception for the. यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आप ब्रीफली मेंशन करो
Mm.
द essentials ऑफ सेक्शन 17, क्योंकि हम सेक्शन 17 पे जब हम फोकस कर रहे हैं तो पहले हमें सेक्शन 17 बताना पड़ेगा ब्रीफली क्या बोलता है.
Mm.
आपने बहुत ब्रीफ में बताया लेकिन इसके एसेंशियल्स को भी डील करो, नॉट ओनली द सेक्शन नंबर डायरेक्टली. ब्रीफली डील करो कि क्या सेक्शन बोलता है एंड फॉर द सेम पैटर्न बीइंग द
Mm.
फैक्ट्स, इशू इन्वॉल्व्ड, लॉ पॉइंट
Mm.
and the relation, like substantiate it with question, facts in question. ठीक है? ये पैटर्न अगर आप फॉलो करते हो फॉर एनी प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन अपूर्वा,
Mm.
then you will fetch like the maximum marks which you can get in any particular these types of question. And देखो एग्जाम में, मेंस एग्जाम में क्या होता है, मेंस एग्जामिनेशन नॉट अबाउट लाइक गेटिंग बहुत सारे, हमें हर क्वेश्चन में बहुत एज लेना है. इवन इफ यू गेट अ एज ऑफ हाफ
Mm.
मार्क और 1 mark in each question, that will create a lot of difference.
Mm.
Means में 5 questions are there, in each question has its subparts. तो अगर हर किसी के like around in total 16-17 questions are being asked in the mains examination. ठीक है? अगर आप हर जगह एक नंबर का, आधे नंबर का एज लेते हो तो भी आप 15 मार्क्स का एज ले रहे हो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इन द सिंगल पेपर, एंड इट विल क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन द लॉन्ग रन. ठीक है? अब ये एज कैसे मिलेगा? ये एज मिलेगा बिकॉज यू आर ऑलरेडी अ प्रीमियम प्लस यूजर ऑफ एड्सॉप. ठीक है? तो यू हैव सॉल्व्ड द ब्लूप्रिंट्स. अब ब्लूप्रिंट्स में क्या है, लाइक यू कैन सी दिस वाज हरियाणा मेंस पेपर. The first question was there directly from the blueprints. The second question, the topic was again from the blueprints. Third question, like third part of the first question, possession one, again from the blueprints. Same with the other questions as well. So for all the adsorbents, we have already provided you the compiled topics, a list of topics जिनके आपको frameworks बनाने हैं. ठीक है? And as you can see, almost each and every question is there from the blueprints or the main simplified notes. ठीक है?
Mm.
Being a adsorbian, it will like it is one of the most important content which is there for the mains. ठीक है,
Mm.
so first of all try to attempt these particular topics. ठीक है, because out of the 100 topics which you get in the examination, for like someone like thinking hypothetically, तो 20 टॉपिक्स आर बीइंग मेंशन्ड है, ओनली 20% द सिलेबस ही हमने वहां पर टॉपिक्स में दिया है. So that is something which you have to prepare in a very detailed manner. You have to make the frameworks, just mention क्या क्या आपको लिखना है, and then you have to send it for evaluation also. As you know, we provide the complimentary facility for the evaluation of the blueprints as well. तो आपको वो भी चीज वहां पर करवानी, so that
Mm.
you will get to know whether your formation of the structure is right or wrong. ठीक है, इस ये वाला जो प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन का जो स्ट्रक्चर है फैक्ट सारा, इफ यू हैव सेंड इट फॉर इवैल्यूएशन तो आपको पता चलता है कि यार ये टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन ऐसे लिखे जाते हैं. ठीक है, दिस इज द मेथड. दिस इज नॉट टू फॉलोड ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन, बट जहां पर प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होता है वहां पर ये बेस्ट मैनर होता है. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस का अलग फॉर्मेट होता है. ठीक है, लाइक सेक्शन बेस्ड का अलग होता है, प्रिंसिपल बेस्ड का अलग फॉर्मेट होता है. तो फॉर ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन द फॉर्मेट इज डिफरेंट. व्हाट
Mm.
क्रोनोलॉजी यू हैव टू अडॉप्ट, क्या सीक्वेंस होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो दैट विल ओनली गेट यू विल गेट टू नो वंस यू स्टार्ट अटेम्प्ट द ब्लूप्रिंट्स. ऑल्सो एडिशनली एपिक मेंस टेस्ट सीरीज. ठीक है, एपिक मेंस टेस्ट सीरीज यू मस्ट हैव अटेम्प्टेड सम ऑफ द
Yes,
पेपर्स.
sir, I did. Yeah, I did attempt, but I couldn't complete it thoroughly because there were 20 tests around. But I completed around one set I did, and then the second set also. And I did the language paper of all the four sets.
यस, तो we have provided 5 sets for the HGS mains examination. ठीक है,
Yeah. Okay.
and those sets were exactly in the same examination pattern.
Yeah,
ठीक है,
yeah. It really helped me.
ठीक है,
I mean,
फाइव
it
क्वेश्चंस.
was
हाँ,
very much similar.
तो जितने नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वी ट्राई टू प्रोवाइड द सेम मैनर, क्योंकि
Yeah.
सोचिए
And
कि
even I think in the language paper, some paragraphs were exactly the same. I think the Pressy writing one, I saw it the same paragraph in your tests also.
एग्जैक्टली. तो
Yeah.
while we make these papers now, we do a lot of research कि किस types of question आते हैं एग्जाम में, what is the difficulty level, we try to maintain the same difficulty. We do not maintain the difficulty for the DGS and HGS to be same, RGS and
Right,
DGS to
right.
be same. ठीक है, so we try to gain कि क्या difficulty level होनी चाहिए, क्या pattern होना चाहिए, and we provide the same pattern so that when you sit for the examination you do not feel कि यार we are seeing something new. It should
Very
be
new, yeah.
something कि ये तो यार ये सेम पैटर्न आई एम यूज्ड टू राइटिंग द आंसर्स. ठीक है, एज यू हैव मेंशनड यू हैव ओनली सॉल्व्ड वन सेट. इफ यू हैव सॉल्व्ड अनदर टू सेट्स, ठीक है, 5 सेट्स मेक्स इट लिटिल.
What I did, sir, was last night I didn't have time to write everything, so I read the questions. I spotted the answer in my mind and jotted down points. That's how I completed it. But I couldn't send you the answer, so I was like, I know the questions. I did my research of the questions.
Yeah, that is good, but always try to get the views of the other person. ठीक है,
Yeah.
ठीक है, whenever you send the answers for evaluation to Adsorb team, ठीक है, we have mentors at Adsorb who thoroughly and detailed manner evaluate your copies. Each and every line of your copy is being evaluated. ठीक है, and that is very much important when you get the reviews. क्यों?
Yes,
क्योंकि
sir.
यहीं पर आप चेंज कर पाओगे. आपने मिस्टेक कहाँ पर कमिट की, आपने उसको सेल्फ इवेल्यूशन में जाना चाहा कि मैं सेल्फ उसको देख लेती हूँ सही है नहीं है. व्हेन यू गेट द रिव्यूज ऑफ मेंटर्स यू विल गेट टू नो कि यार क्यों, देखो आपके तरफ से आपने अपना ये जो एचजीएस का एग्जाम लिखा वो भी सही लिखा, बट देयर आर
Hmm.
सम प्लेसेस जहां पर आपने मिस्टेक्स कमिट की एंड एग्जामिनर नोट
Yeah.
दोस मिस्टेक्स. तो ऑलवेज दिस द मिस्टेक एंड डू नॉट कमिट द सेम मिस्टेक अगेन, बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग रेस, इट्स नॉट अ स्प्रिंट, इट्स अ मैराथन.
Hmm.
ठीक है,
Hmm.
always prepare in a manner where you get time to get your papers evaluated,
Hmm.
and it is very like most important. I will show you one of the, like you must be knowing, but I will show you one of the copies. And
Hmm.
Nana Jindal, who has already been selected in the same HJS means examination this year, she sent around 15-16 papers from the epic means test series. Almost all the papers were being attempted by her, and she got the reviews in a manner where she got to know कि कहाँ पर improve करना है. If the maxim has to be added, तो interest rate public वाली maxim उनको add करनी है. These things are to be added in the answer. What are the
Hmm.
case law? There are state of UP to be added, state of Nawab Hussain. क्या क्या case laws आप add कर सकते हो? तो व्हेन यू गेट these रिव्यूज ना, आपके पास स्कोप होता है कि हाँ हमें वो कहाँ पर इम्प्रूव करना है, कहाँ पर
Mm.
इम्प्रूव नहीं करना, स्ट्रक्चर में इम्प्रूव करना है, आपको क्रोनोलॉजी पे इम्प्रूव करना है, आपको कंटेंट पे इम्प्रूव, देयर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच आर टू बी इम्प्रूव्ड इन योर आंसर्स,
Right.
एंड दैट यू विल ओनली गेट। देखो, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग इज अ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट। आप
Yeah.
पढ़ते हो, बहुत बार होता है आप पढ़ते हो बट यू थिंक यार ये मैं लिख सकती थी, बट आपने लिखा नहीं। वॉट यू एक्चुअली राइट इन द एग्जामिनेशन, दैट इज समथिंग विच एग्जामिनर विल बी वैल्यूटिंग ऑन दिस। हो सकता है आपके माइंड में 10 चीजें हो कि यार ये भी लिखना है, ये भी लिखना है, बट जो आप एक्चुअल पेपर में लिख रहे हो वो ही वैल्यूएशन में कंसिडर होगा, राइट? तो
Correct.
ट्राई writing at least 10 plus papers before your means examination, so that you are used to the same, and always try to incorporate the reviews which are given by the absorb mentors.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because once you receive the valid copy, you must be getting a lot of reviews कि अच्छा ये भी इस आंसर में ये कमी थी, इस आंसर में ये कमी थी, and you have to sit back and see, give a hour,
Yeah.
give 1.5 hour to those evaluate papers and see क्या यहाँ पर ये कमी थी, I have to improve in this particular manner, यहाँ पर ये mistakes मैंने commit की थी this manner, and the best manner is आप वो सेम क्वेश्चन रिव्यू देखने के बाद दोबारा अटेम्प्ट करो, ठीक है?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
अटेम्प्ट इन अ मैनर कि यार रिव्यूज में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लिए, मेरा आंसर जो था उसमें चेंजेस कर लिए, नाउ दिस द परफेक्ट आंसर विच आई शुड राइट इन माई मेंस एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है?
Mm.
सो दिस इज द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मैनर विच यू शुड अडॉप्ट इन अ मेंस एग्जामिनेशन, ठीक है?
Correct.
नाउ apart from this, as a Premium Plus user, you must be knowing about the Adsorb Law main simplified notes, from where also lot of questions have came in this Adsorb, like this question, again this question was there, again
Yes,
this
sir.
one question, and means simplified notes is dedicatedly for the means examination.
Yeah.
जहाँ
Yeah. I've repeatedly read them. I've repeatedly made notes of
हाँ,
the simplified
because
ones.
in those main से prefer note we have covered the topics in a manner जो means point of view से important है, all the topics are not covered, and
Mm.
they will give you a content as well कि आप क्या लिख सकते हो, the case law,
Mm.
the maxims, everything is mentioned there.
Yeah. Yeah. It's full register of notes only.
Yeah, that's it. So now if you have any doubts, you can just ask your doubts to me.
So what I got from the session is, sir, that firstly I should obviously write more papers before the mains exams, and secondly that I should write in a manner that the question is asked. If it's a problem based question, then to follow a different method. If it's a section based, then it's a different approach altogether, right? Okay.
Proper
And
structure has
apart
to be
from that,
maintained while writing the answers, basically. Proper
yes,
structuring of the answer is very important while writing the answers.
correct. Apart from that, sir, what do you think? How was overall feedback of my RJ HJS answer
तो
copy? I
अपूर्वा,
mean,
as I can see, देखो हिंदी में देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट, बिकॉज
yeah,
53 आए तो हम वहां पर 70 प्लस ला सकते हैं, ठीक है?
yeah, yeah.
सिविल लॉ मतलब लॉ एस्पेक्ट, आपको कंटेंट, एज फार एज आई कैन लाइक रिव्यू कॉपी, कंटेंट यू नो, ठीक है? आपको पता है
हाँ,
क्या क्या चीजें आनी चाहिए, बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू अप्लाई द कंप्लीट कंटेंट इन योर राइटिंग, ठीक है?
correct.
पता है आपको, मेरे को द मोमेंट आई रीड द पैराग्राफ आई विल गेट टू नो कि अपूर्वा ये लिखना चाह रही थी, बट आपने लिखा नहीं है, तो वी कैन नॉट गिव यू मार्क्स ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट, ठीक है?
Hmm.
एग्जामिनर विल ओनली गिव यू व्हाट यू हैव रिटन इन द एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन, तो दैट इज समथिंग विच यू हैव टू इंश्योर कि वो मिस्टेक्स आप बार बार कमिट नहीं कर रहे हो, ठीक है? एंड इफ यू जस्ट इम्प्रोवाइज ऑन दीज 2 to 3 स्मॉल थिंग्स ना, दैट कैन लीड टू अ ह्यूज चेंज, एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल find yourself your name in the next list and the for the judicial examinations. So thanks a lot, Apurva. Let's wind up this particular session.
Correct.
Okay? And I hope you will also get a seat in the next examinations to come.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.